Salutations and good morning, good night, wherever you are and you are partaking in this. Thank you. Welcome to episode 19 of the Business Lawyer Said. And today's question is all about trademarking and when you should do it. So someone submitted a question on when should you trademark, and I thought this was right on time for the November trademark special. So of course I picked it and we're gonna get into it. So I have my handy dandy notebook. Bow, it's back. It was a little broken in the last episodes, but I got it fixed. So that's neither here nor there. Let's get into it. So again, my name is Nequosha, and I'm a business lawyer who focuses on business things and intellectual property matters, so that way you can protect your income producing ideas and brands. So if you're into that, hit me up. Now, again, this week's question is, when is a good time to trademark? Now, some of you are watching this and like, well, Nequosha, I really don't know what a trademark is. Should I even get one? So let's just start with the basics, right? So the basics is a trademark. A trademark is defined as a word, phrase, design, or combination that identifies your goods or services from somebody else's. So that means that when people come to look for you in the market, they will have an identifying something that separates you from others. Okay? That's what a trademark is. And the benefits of having a federal trademark, because you can have a statewide, you can even have common law, meaning you don't even apply for anything, it's just given to you automatic. You can have those things. No one's saying you have to do this. But if you want all of the protections that come from having a federal trademark, let's keep listening. So a federal trademark is essentially this. It gives you the ability to control. It's called exclusivity. You get that when you have successfully applied and achieved registration. So just simply applying is not enough. You have to achieve registration. And it will give you protection outside of your home state. It will give you protection in all 50 states. We talking California, New York, Washington, all the places. You ain't even had to been there. You don't even know what the ass smell like, but you protected. Okay? So as we know with the Business Lawyer Said series, I ask you a set of minimum of 3 questions to consider when you ask me a question, because this will help you get to where you need to be. All right, so let's get into the questions to ask on when is a good time to trademark. Number 1, would I care if someone else began using the trademark after me? Would you care about that? Is that of concern to you? Or if it's not, then keep on doing what you're doing. But if it is concern to you, let's talk about federal trademark protection. You may be on to something. All right, let's go to question 2. Is the trademark earning me/my business money? Can it earn me money in the future? Meaning I got a hot commodity, and although I'm not using it right now, I want to do the road to trademarking, meaning intent to use. So if you're going to do the intent to use track to trademarking, you can still get the protection. We could talk about that more. But again, let me repeat question 2 that you should ask yourself when you're determining whether or not it's a good time to trademark. Is the trademark earning me/my business money, and would it earn me money in the future? If it's doing any of those things, let's trademark it, boo. Let's get it done. Now, question number 3. This is probably one most people would have said, Nequosha, you should have did this as one. It's a method to my madness. Keep watching, keep listening. Let's go. Question number 3. Have people began to know you/your business by this trademark? Drops mic. If people can identify you for this, look, even God gave me some sirens. I don't know if y'all can hear that because I just dropped it, right? If the people in the community are identifying you for this particular phrase, slogan, sound, whatever, and you're the only one in the space using it, and every time that person hears it, they think of you. They think of your good, your service. It is time. In the words of the best Disney movie ever made, Simba, it is time. It is time for you to trademark what you are doing and what the people are recognizing you for. It is so time. It's probably past time. And the reason why I said it is because if more people are identifying you for that slogan, sound, logo, whatever it is, then if you haven't already achieved federal trademark status or even thought about it, applied or whatever, somebody unfortunately could have gotten to the door before you. It happens. I hate to hear it. I hate to have to endure that with a lot of my clients. But if you wait too long, you're going to be on the wrong side of the pillow, boo. All right? Now, if you want me to evaluate, talk to you more about whether or not it's a good time for you to apply for trademark protections, you can do that by clicking the link that says andersonlawfl.com and completing the intake form. You can also, if you already know, like like it's been time, then just go ahead and go to the trademarkspecial.com. Again, go to the trademarkspecial.com and just go ahead and secure your special rate for the whole month of November as it relates to trademark protections. Just go ahead and do that, and we in like Flynn, and my team and I will just get you onboarded and get you started as quickly as possible, okay? And then lastly is one other thing that I must do. I took a note about it. Oh, never mind. I hit all my points. This is why we keep checklists and all these things and write things down, because we'll get all out of the way. So again, if you're thinking when is a good time to trademark, just think of the 3 questions that I asked. Let's just recap them really quickly. Number 1, would I care if someone else began using the trademark after me? If you want to control it, we need to protect it, right? Number 2, is the trademark earning me money? Is it earning my business money? And will I earn money off of it in the future? And I know that's kind of like, well, no, Nequosha, I started a business. Most likely than not, you're going to earn some coin if you do and put the work in, okay? Then you need to trademark it. And number 3, the last question you need to ask yourself is, have people began to know you or your business for this trademark? If they recognize you in the space because you do what you do and you're the only one doing it, Simba, it is time. It is time for you to trademark. Go ahead and visit the trademarkspecial.com and lock in your special savings for the whole month of November. If this applies to you, lock it in. If this applies to someone you know, lock it in. Trademarkspecial.com. Go do it. Go do it. Go do it right now. All right. So with all that being said, this will conclude this week's episode of The Business Lawyer Said. I am working on a link which should be up very, very soon by the end of this week for you to go to thebusinesslawyersaid.com. Don't go right now. It ain't going to take you nowhere right now. But in the future, by the end of the week, you'll be able to submit your questions, listen to past episodes of this series, all those beautiful things at thebusinesslawyersaid.com, which is asterisk in the works. So again, thank you for watching this week's episode 19 of The Business Lawyer Said, and I look forward to hearing, seeing all those things, all the beautiful comments. Thank you. I appreciate it. All the support. Thank you. I appreciate it. It is not lost on me. I am so thankful. And the next episode will be 20. So that means we may do a little something special. I don't know. I'll figure that out. But anyway, have a great week. Have a good rest of your day wherever you are on Al Gore's internets.